Hello, welcome. Let's spend 1 or 2 minutes on this. This is question 8A. A motorcycle dealer made a profit of $54,000 only on a sale, which is equivalent to 15%. So we have to find the selling price. So here we are having two informations, which is profit. Then we have the percentage. So we can easily say that the profit is equals to the percentage, which is what? 15% of the selling price. We are having that this profit is made on only the sales, which is the selling price. So the profit of 15% on the sales. So this will mean that if I'm looking for the selling price, I can easily say that my profit, let me say P selling price SP will become P equals to 15%, right? Times the SP. Remember, this is what we're looking for. So we can divide by the 15%. So our selling price will now be equals to the profit divided by what? 15%, which is 0.15. So fast forward, selling price will just be the profit of 54,000 divided by the 0.15. Let's put that in our calculator and see the actual value we are going to get. So if you do that, you should be having 360,000 as the selling price. This was the selling price, and this is just what the profit accrues on the selling price. So let's see if you find 50% of that, 15%, which is 0.15 times 360,000, you got the word 54,000. I guess this is also correct. Like, share, comment.